Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Step channel. Today we're going to be making a cool art thing. So you can either make it different colors. So in this project I made that kind of animation with this background. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually a thumbnail for one of my projects. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a new account as you can see. So let's get started. Now, first all we gotta do is go to the backdrops, then go to backdrops, the costume backdrops. So then we make the size of the brush 100. And then we pick a color. I'm going to pick, how about red? So this red, I'm going to be starting from the big luscious red ooze. Ooh, that red is zooming reds. Zoom in. Okay, there we go. Now we start making the gradient slightly lighter as we go. It's very simple. All you gotta do is that. And once you got to the lightest color you can make, then you're done. And I'll be showing you how to make a color animation like a rainbow. Someone requested in the comments that he or she's making a school project, and he or she wants me to make more of rainbow stuff. So I guess I'm making more rainbow stuff. I love rainbows. I mean, duh. So anyways, here it is so far. I wonder how long this will take to finish because there is not that much space of the colors because it's already becoming like brightness. No way. No, I'm not reading it. I already know what brightness means. Sorry, googly dictionary stuff. Okay, we have 8 brightness. Brightness is, its saturation is like 5% now. So I hope this is a good rainbow animation for you, for your school project person, whoever you are who is asking. So there's just, and then there's this. Whoa, what is like happening? Like, why? Okay, I'm just gonna do the painting. Yes, there it is. I'm just gonna like why is this like, this is weird. Okay, now I'm going to group these all together and then make this bigger. I'm gonna group these together. Let me group them. Group. Then I'm going to change the size. Oops. This is so cool, right? Look at this. Just look at it. Look at it. Wait. There. And then there. Scrolling down. Yes, there is a size thing. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. No. Okay, let's try doing this. Okay, there we go. We got our perfect thing. So this is how you're supposed to do it. Like it's cool, right? This rainbowy background. This is like a nice animation. You should try this. And we'll do the same simple code, basic code, 125 clicked, forever loop, and change color effect by 25. I mean, look at this. See, isn't it cool? But I want to make it something less. Isn't this a nice animation person? Is this a nice animation person? How are you feeling about this? How are you feeling? How are you feeling about this? Is it good or? Yeah, it should be good. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice animation. I mean, it's rainbowy. Of course, it's rainbowy. And also I want to add some music, so I'm gonna add some music. Let's go ahead and add some music. I'm gonna do loops. Bossa Nova. No, Dance Funky. Oh, I think I want to do Dance Funky because it's like da dance. It's some cool music with some rainbows. And there we go. Yeah, there we have it. Rainbow project. the reason I made this project is because, I mean, look at the stripes. I mean, in this also it's there, but I like this more because it's like more thick, luscious red. Not just red, it's really colorful, rainbow. So hope this helps with your comment person. I forgot your name, but okay. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and bye. I'm just gonna start naming this project like yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start naming this project. I'm just gonna name it in 3, 2, 1. Boom, it's all done. Okay, I did this. So you know how I did this animation? I actually just paused the video and I just did everything and then unpaused it. So yeah, it's saying this because I'm a new scratcher. I don't know why. Scratcher. Please follow me. Okay, anyways, yeah, I like remixing stuff, and I also made this. Yes, I made this, and I also did this, and I have a color contest, so don't forget to check that out. Ew, why is Pinkie Pie's head like that? Oh, this is so cute, but yeah, this is my all about me, and why did I put number 1000 there? Anyways, yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I made only 16 projects. I'll try to make more projects on this account soon. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. And so yeah, bye. I'm going to try searching for an outro real quick. And where's my outro? Where's my outro? Where's my outro? I'm searching for it. Eek. Where's it? Where is it? Hey, this is Scratch Cats and Gobos Zoom call. I don't know why I did that. Yeah. Where's my intro? Shab 22. That one of my other accounts. So yeah, I need to follow her. I'm following my accounts. I don't know why. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Probably I should copy paste this and then see. There. Now, yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So bye. Little cute face. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see more amazing videos. Bye and ring-a-wing. Love you guys. Ooh. Okay, love you guys. Okay, I'm ending the video now. I think it's long. I don't know, but it's process, just process. Okay, okay, I'm ending the video now. So bye. Okay, bye.